Hello guys, in this video, we will explain how to change the date of birth and date of birth in the TikTok account as a very simple topic and a very simple solution. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before starting the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video. Let's go through the explanation. The first step you do, my friend, is to go to your TikTok account. Then click on the profile icon. Then click on the three little birds here. Then click on Settings and Privacy. After that, I will go down here. You will find Report a Problem. Click on Report a Problem. After that, click on the account and profile. Then click on Edit Profile. After that, I will go down here. You will find Another. Click on Another. Here, you will find Has your problem been solved? Click on No. Then click on Do you need more help? Click on it. Here, you will write them this message, which is as follows: Hello, TikTok support team. When I created my account for the first time, I wrote my date of birth by mistake and I want to correct it for this date, and I am attaching my national identity card to you, so that you can make sure of the correctness of his words. Please change my date of birth. Thank you, and you will wait for them to answer you, and your account or your account's date of birth will be changed. This was the topic of today. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.